Hello again. My name is Marissa Mikulkevich. I am the Recycling and Solid Waste Program Coordinator for Outagamie County Recycling and Solid Waste. And today we are excited to announce another material that we are accepting at the Resource Recovery Park. And that would be waste cooking oil. This is a service open to the general public only. It is a free service and you can bring up to 10 gallons per day. We are working with a company called Blue Honey Biofuels. They have a tank out on our site now. And what you do is you bring in your waste oil, you dump it in their collection bin that we have by our Freon appliances bunker, and they come, pump it out, and turn it into biofuels. Pretty cool that we are keeping this out of the landfill, out of the waterways, and repurposing it into a beneficial material. So again, buckle up. We are going on a little trip so you can see how to properly dispose of waste cooking oil at the Resource Recovery Park.
Hello, what'd you have today?
I have waste oil to drop off.
What type of oil?
Vegetable oil.
Alright, that's free of charge. You can bring up to 10 gallons per day. And you're just going to follow the public drop-off signs to the back side of that building. And at the end of the line of dumpsters, you can dump it off next to the Freon appliances.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.